Hello students, I welcome you all for the 10th standard social science classes. Here comes the video presentation. You utilize and achieve your success. The previous classes we had discussed we had seen the First World War and its aftermath. That lesson was finished. So we are going to start the new lesson, new topic, Geography, Unit 1, India location, relief and drainage system. India location, relief and drainage system. Introduction. India is the seventh largest country in the world and the second largest country in the Asia. It forms a part of South Asia and is separated by the Himalayas from the rest of continent. India accounts for about 2.4% of total area of world in the with an area of 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. Many of the Indian states are larger than several countries of the world. India shares its 15,200 kilometer long land and frontier with the Pakistan the west, Afghanistan the north, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, India longest border with the Bangladesh 4,156 kilometer, while the shortest border is with an Afghanistan 106 kilometer. About 6,100 kilometer long coastline of India is washed on the three sides of the country by the Indian Ocean and its two arms, namely the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. The total length of the coastline of India, including the islands, is 7,516.6 km. India and Sri Lanka are separated by the narrow and shallow sea called Bauxite. India and the world. India and the landmass central location between the East and West Asia, India and the southwest sections of the Asian continent, the Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of the Europe in the west and the countries of the East Asia provides a strategic central location of India, thus helping India to establish close contact with the Asia, Arabia and Europe from the west coast of the world, southeast and east from the north corridor. India subcontinent. India, along with the countries of Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka is called the subcontinent. India is a subcontinent. This region is separated from the rest of the Asia by the chain of mountains northwest and the northeast and the sea by the south. This region also possesses distinct continental characteristics in physiography, climate, natural vegetation, minerals, human resources, etc. Hence, India is known as a subcontinent. Location, location and extent. India extends from the 8 degree 4 dash north to 37 degree 6 dash north latitude and 68 degree 7 dash north east to 97 degree 25 dash east longitude. Hence, India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. The southernmost of point country Polymic line point is Indira point. We can see the Indira point. Simply we can see the Indira point. Located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the southernmost point of main is Cape Comorin. The southernmost of mainland is Cape Comorin. The north-south extent of India, the north-south extent of India, 3,214 kilometer and its extent from the Indira Col in Jammu and Kashmir. In the north, Kanyakumari in the south, the east-west extension is 2,933 kilometer and stretches from Rana Kuch Gujarat in the west of Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 north to north passes through the middle of the country, dividing into the two heavens as the northern temperature and the southern tropical lands. India is politically divided with them. India is politically divided into 32 states and 7 union territories for the administrative convenience. So, this is the today topic. We can see the next topic, next classes. Students, do homework properly, do daily learnings. Thank you, children. Thank you.